Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Al's Toys Review. Today I'm gonna be reviewing the Gundam Freedom Gundam. This is from a line called the Gundam Universe. I believe this is the 17 Gundam. More specifically, I believe there is a Target exclusive Gundam unit, so making him the 18. I don't know if there's other exclusives, but yeah, this one is going to be the Freedom Gundam, and I believe this is the latest one. So let's get into it. So here it is out of the box. It comes in with the wings. As you can see, this is a toy, so it is not a model, but I gotta say it looks pretty cool. All right, and here we have the Gundam completely out. As you can see, it's pretty easy to put together. You put two wings right here, and you just put this place right here, and you have the Gundam finish. So he has two closed fists, he has a trigger hand, and an open hand. Trigger hand works pretty well with the gun. The gun is a solid one piece, so this won't move. But yeah, he has no problem holding it. It's actually pretty stiff. So you have the gun however you want. This one comes with two swords. It does have a storage for swords, so they go right here. But when you put them on, you gotta make sure you hear that clicking noise. But he's able to hold it. You just put it on, and it works technically on both hands. So it's fine on both. And the swords are pretty easy. Same thing. It has a little hole, and you just click on it. You just put it in. Little peg in. He actually holds it. You could also take off a sword and combine them. Like his actual weapon. I think it's pretty cool. Yeah. Now for the side guns right here, they're actually pretty nice. They're pegged, so you just pop them out, and there you go. So you just pop it out, nice and straight, and there you go. You got the side guns. And then to put them back into place, they just go into the pegs. So there you go. And there. And you do the exact same thing for the other one. Pretty easy. And voila. Although the blasters or cannons do come out, the only way for him to have them actually face forward is you have to actually have the wings facing backwards, and then this thing just moves all the way forward. That is the only way you're gonna have them facing the front. You have to have the wings like that. Otherwise, if you do try to turn it with the cannons sideways, you really can. You're actually quite limited, because you could cross each other like that, but I can't have this one facing that direction, or I can't have this one facing that direction. So that is the only limit about the wings. Alright, and for the last part is the movement. The ball is in a head joint, so he could go up, down. Actually, flip sideways. You could do a whole 360, but yeah, so it's standard. Just spread this much forward and backwards this much. You actually do the whole 360. Shoulder pads actually move. You see they're in a ball joint, so you pop that out, don't worry. Forward, sides, down, up. These also come out. They're in a little peg that goes up and down. So this much high, this much down. It's pretty. As for these are the same as these. So they do go up, down, and side to side. Not much, not as much as these, but yeah. So these do go side to side. This is a hard plastic, while the back is a rubber plastic. So I'm assuming that's so that you could move the leg forward and this much backwards. So it just moves it just a little bit, the plastic, so that, see, just very little. But yeah, that much backwards. Leg actually bends this much, and you can't go any more forward than this. There is an ankle pivot up and down. The other limit is the body waist. It actually does move sided, very little. This much up, this much down. Not a lot, but other than that, he's a solid figure. I would recommend them, especially if you don't want to get models, for you just want to have the toy. This one works. Yeah, if you don't want, I know there are other ones that are made out of metal and more expensive, but this is costs around 25 bucks. Like I said, there's 17 of them. And except for the number 1, I believe there's a second color version of the number 1. So yeah, leave a video a like, subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Peace.